Hi! In front of me is Hafury GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by going into Play Store and installing your new defaults. In my case, Opera Mini Browser. When your new apps are ready to go, go into Devices Settings. In Settings, choose Apps and Notifications. Then click on Default Apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now tap on your new downloaded one in order to apply it. And go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!